To use a Spotify gift card, you first need to purchase or receive the gift card, which can be bought online or in a physical store. The card will have a code on the back that you will need to redeem on the Spotify website. Start by going to the Spotify website and clicking on the redeem link at the bottom of the page. You will then be prompted to sign in to your Spotify account, or create a new one if you do not already have one. After signing in, you will be taken to a page where you can enter the gift card code. Type in the code exactly as it appears on the card, including any dashes or spaces. Click the redeem button to apply the gift card balance to your account. The gift card balance can be used to upgrade to a premium subscription, or to extend an existing premium subscription. If you already have a premium subscription, the gift card balance will be added to your account and used to pay for future months of the subscription. If you do not have a premium subscription, you can use the gift card balance to try out the premium features for a month or more, depending on the amount of the gift card. To use the gift card to upgrade to a premium subscription, go to the Your Account page and click on the Upgrade to Premium button. Then select the premium plan you want to subscribe to and click the button to confirm your changes. The gift card balance will be used to pay for the premium subscription, and any remaining balance will be stored in your account for future use. It is also important to note that Spotify gift cards can only be used on the Spotify website and not through the mobile app. Additionally, gift cards are non-refundable and cannot be exchanged for cash, so make sure to use the full balance before it expires. By following these steps, you can easily use a Spotify gift card to upgrade to a premium subscription, extend an existing subscription, or try out the premium features for a month or more. Remember to always check the balance on your gift card before redeeming it to ensure you get the most out of your Spotify experience.